The male one is quite happy, stomach is full, I think that's why he finished his dinner. mm, Female still, yeah, she needs lots of food because her health is not that much good. She is good, she is not healthy but good. Yes, because of the lots of feather drops. New feather will come very soon, I think within this month, June. And from the July, beginning of July or end of July, they will cover the new feathers with. Still waiting for, I have no rush, just let them eat. The fish are also happy. I turn on the oxygen, not regular, sometimes, depend this sometimes, because newborn baby there, I'm a bit scared because mommy and daddy fishes, they are not care about their babies. They thought this is their food. This is not their fault, naturally they're doing this. Once they're giving birth, they start eating their own babies. I lost many babies like this way. I had another last week. There's a two mommy fish and one male daddy. So last week I find out three of them, the newborn baby fish, under this plant. Suddenly after 2-3 days later they disappear. So yes, their parents definitely ate them. It was my mistake. I supposed to take them out from this fish tank, but what I thought they will manage themselves to hide, but it's my fault. And yesterday I saw two newborn baby. I hope if I can see more than 3, 4, 5, they're giving maximum 18 or 26, depend on the size, mummy size. So I will take out the newborn baby. Okay, now for the fish, I'm still waiting for the female bird. Once I want to see she's going to the fruit trays. I don't think so they are in my that interest to go there. They're still thinking, they confused. They will go to there, test them or not, or maybe they're waiting for the water. I kept the water pot beside, otherwise they will spoil everything. So once they finish their food, when I kept them in their place where they sleep, where I kept basically, that time I will give them water. But still waiting for, once they give just one bite in the fruits, I'll be happy, because fruits is very healthy things than any other. Maybe they are not queen. Okay, another time.